Hi all, thank you for tuning into my channel. So for today I'm going to do this basic look for office and college going girls, and I'm very sure that you're going to enjoy this video. And this video is also especially for those girls who are new to makeup and they are really confused what to apply, how to apply. So this video is must for them as well. So let's start with the video. First thing first, SPF. Now guys, SPF is really very important, especially when you're heading out and you might need to spend some time outside, and those sun rays, they are really going to damage your skin. So I'm taking this SPF from Lotus and I'm going to apply this all over my face. So always apply SPF 30 to 40 minutes prior you're leaving for work, you're leaving for college, and because it really takes time to start functioning, so it would be perfect if you apply it prior 30 to 40 minutes. And never ever skip SPF guys, it's really important, it's very important. It's something you just cannot afford to skip if you do not want your skin to get damaged. So SPF is a must product before applying anything on your face. So after applying this SPF all over my face, I'm taking Pond's BB cream in the shade Original. Now there are two shades, Original and Medium. So I have always tried the Original ones. I'll stick to my Original Pond's BB cream. And you can use any BB, any CC, any tinted moisturizer you like to use and you use on a daily basis, because for everyday kind of a look guys, you do not really have to experiment with creams, because you might end up looking weird, because sometimes we just want to experiment with the shades. And although there are not many shades in BB and CC cream, but still stick to whatever shade you feel that is comfortable and you look good in it. It sits well on your skin, it makes you feel confident, so stick to your shades. And I'm very generously applying this. So BB and CC creams are good for every day. Plus this part about these BB creams, these CC creams, is that they gives you instant freshness, they give you instant radiant look on your face, and at the same time they feel very light, very skin-like on your face. That's why I just love these creams. Whenever I have to head out for some work, I have to run some errands, I just grab this one and I apply it all over my face. So you can see your imperfections, you can see even my imperfections, but we all have them. We all have acne, we all have pimple marks, and we should always embrace all that things. We being girls, we are like very insecure about our skin. Even if we get a single pimple on our face, we tend to become so worried about it, like how to remove it and how to get rid of it, and why on this day I've got this. But trust me guys, just start embracing them. I mean, life will be so easy, because they've come, they'll always come. You cannot stop them from coming. All you can do is you can follow a good skin regime for your face and can avoid them. After applying this CC cream, I have dark circles, so I'll go with the LA Pro HD concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So just to remove the discoloration and some acne scars, I'm using this cream. After applying concealer, I'm going to set the concealer, because that is very important. So whenever you are applying concealer, please use any compact or any pressed powder you like to use, and you use it in every day. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to set my concealer with this. Now you can see my imperfections. Still still my acne scars are visible, but I have some coverage and my face is looking much better than it was looking earlier without anything on my face. Now I'm moving on to eyes. Now if you really can rock your eyeliner in the morning. Kudos to you guys. I mean, go for it. Go and rock the eyeliner. I'm not an eyeliner person. I really like to apply kohl into my waterline, and that's what I cannot skip for any single day. So first of all, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and I'm going to apply mascara. And mascara will give you that more awake look in the morning. So I think mascara is something that won't take much time and you should not skip. I'm taking this Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara. After mascara, I'm going to apply kohl into my waterline. I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Mascara. Sorry, it's kohl. Next thing I'm using on my face is this blush. Now you can always skip this part if you want to, but I love that rosy flush look on my cheeks, so I'm going to take this blush, and this is in the shade Rose. And I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm just taking this product. This blush is actually looking very nice. This is giving me that natural pink color on my cheeks. And after blush, I'm going to use lipstick, and I'm using Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. Nude shade is perfect for everyday, guys. I'm sure that you must be having your personal favorite color, and this is the shade I am using on my lips today. I love the formula of these lipsticks, guys. These are so easy to use. They glide smoothly onto your lips and leaving your lips looking really beautiful, and that's it. So this is the best minimal makeup look for office and college going girls, and I hope you're going to like this video. All I need to say that, guys, please don't experiment with BB and CC creams, especially when you're using them for everyday basis, because you might end up making a wrong choice, and I don't really want that. So stick to your usual regular BB and CC creams. Also, when it comes to picking a good right perfect nude shade lipstick for yourself, I know it's quite tricky. It's a bit tricky for someone who's trying for the first time, who's a beginner to makeup, who's beginner to nude shade lipstick. So don't worry, just invest some time in picking the right shade, experiment with the shades. Sometime you might end up wearing a wrong nude color or buying a wrong nude color, but don't worry, try some good nude shades and I'm very sure that you're going to find a perfect nude color for yourself. And also that nude shades are so much in that everyone is wearing, not only on daily basis but for parties, for events. So I hope you're going to like this video, and you know what you need to do. All you need to do is please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also please hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll be posting a new video in future. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye.